Hey everyone, Michael here with Print Lab Studio, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a Thrivecart bump offer. Now, what a bump offer is basically an upsell. So when someone checks out, they'll see an additional offer that you can offer your customers. So this way you can get a higher average order value. So to do this in Thrivecart is very easy because everything's already set up for you. You just have to plug and play and set up your offer and come up with an offer beforehand. So right now I have my Thrivecart open right here, and to create a bump offer, all you have to do is go to products. Now, depending if you have a product created already or you need to create a new product, you can go ahead and click on edit or create a new product. So I do have a demo product right here. So let me go ahead and click on edit. And then you'll want to give a name for that product. And then let's go ahead and click on next, and then pricing. I'm just going to type that real fast. And then the next screen over, that is the bump offer right here. All right, so we can click on next, and it's right here. To enable the bump offer, all you have to do is just click on this box over here, and then you can just specify if it's a digital product or a physical product. So for this example, let's just go ahead and click on digital, confirm. And as you can see, we already have this set up over here for us. We can just say this could be an audiobook, and we can charge $9.99 for this product. And then you can just go ahead and configure the text over here depending on what kind of products you have. So these are just text boxes. They have sample text over here, but you can click on that and then just type your title, your description over here. All right, so this is a template that's done for you, and you don't have to do anything on your end besides just filling out this template over here. And when you're ready, and you can just click on next, and your bump offer is set up. Now, how that will look on your landing page is like this. It will be on the bottom over here below your payment information. So after your customers fill out their payment information, they can just click on this box, and then they can just add this offer to their cart when they check out. All right, so for this example over here, for this leggings, we are giving an extra pair of leggings for $9.60, and that's 20% saving. And the bump offer is very powerful. So whenever you can add a bump offer, you should always have a bump offer because the take rate is really high for these bump offers. And especially with this high converting landing page and checkout that Thrivecart have built into their system. Now for offers, there's different ways to come up with ideas. For example, e-commerce, you can have bump offer like complimentary product. You can have subscription. You can offer warranty. You can even offer expedient shipping or even limited edition product right in this field over here. All right. And then if you're doing coaching, for example, you can have extra coaching calls. You can have membership program. You can have one-on-one support or even paid Facebook group or even audio recordings to your product. And that will make a very good bump offer. All right, so that is how to configure the bump offer inside Thrivecart. Now, if you're interested in Thrivecart, there is a link in my description. And what we have done is if you do pick up Thrivecart through our link, you'll get access to our live support where our team can help you more in depth on what you want to do and what you want to configure. We have a whole team ready to answer your questions. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description area. Click on it and learn more about Thrivecart. And I hope you like this video. Comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.